The next tag is paragraph tag. It's very easy to use, and as its name implies, it's used for paragraphs or text in the website. So it's a P tag, the first letter of paragraph word. So the paragraph is written inside that opening and closing tags. Okay, between two paragraphs there's always a new line. So let's see that in the action. I'm gonna create lesson 5.html. So P and tab, it will create a paragraph. So there's another very useful shortcut in the Sublime text, which is lorem shortcut. So you need a paragraph to see in a website, but you don't have a content in your hand. So what can you do? You can just generate a dummy text like lorem ipsum text. It's mainly used in graphic design, web development, and web design. So we can just type lorem, and then you can hit the tab button. It will create a dummy text called lorem ipsum. So after that you can hit save and look at that in the browser. As you can see, it's just a paragraph that through all the website. You can copy it and paste again. You will see that there's a new line between them. So in the paragraph you want to write like that. It's not possible because it just removes everything in between. Okay.